Welcome to Itology Creations, where ideas meet execution. At Itology Creations, we focus on common IT challenges paired with their respective solutions. Our vision is to streamline success with IT expertise. We have 8 years of experience in specialized 3D modeling and animation, proficient in data analytics, professional in visual and graphics designing, skilled in full-stack development, creative in media production, and much more. Itology Creations, the IT partner you can count on. Visit our website, itologycreations.co.uk. Please follow us on our social media networks.